Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Wall Street close S&amp P 500 and the Nasdaq reach new record closing highs. http ntvforex.com News ID 0F7F 64 minutes ago by Ross J. Berlin. The Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed 378.13 points, or 1.35%, to 28,308.46. The S&amp 500 added 34.12 points, or 1.00%, to 3,431.28. The Nasdaq Composite put on NBSP 67.92 points, or 0.6%, to 11,379.72. Wall Street witnessed yet another set of NBSP record highs in U.S. stock markets following news that the U.S. government intends to fast-track COVID vaccines and treatments in ahead of the Jackson Hole this week. The markets are enthused that there have been some positive developments with the vaccine and lower numbers of new cases. NBSP in Florida and Arizona reporting no new deaths. The FED's Jackson Hole Monetary Policy Symposium later this week is anticipated to be setting rates NBSP lower for longer, which has provided support to risk assets in what otherwise was a very quiet day for economic data. NBSP. How did the benchmarks perform? Consequently, the S&amp 500 and the Nasdaq reached new record closing highs. The S&amp 500 reclaimed its February closing high last week, confirming a bull market and the fastest recovery from a bear market trough on record. The blue chip Dow, while leading Monday's gains, remains nearly 4.2% below its all-time high, and down 0.8% year-to-date. The Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed 378.13 points, or 1.35%, to 28,308.46, while the S&amp 500 added 34.12 points, or 1.00%, to 3,431.28, and the Nasdaq Composite put on NBSP 67.92 points, or 0.6%, to 11,379.72. The Nasdaq and the S&amp have gained 26.8% and 6.2%, respectively, since the final closing bell of 2019. Some steps in the right direction. While there are concerns for the resurgence in Asia and European nations, NBSP in the NBSP US at least, the summer outbreak of COVID in parts of the US appears to be unwinding. Analysts at ANZ Bank notes that the case numbers in Florida are slowing to their lowest level since mid-June, and Arizona reporting no new deaths. Reports that the Trump administration is considering issuing an emergency use authorization for the AstraZeneca Oxford University vaccine also has a few hopes up. However, a spokesperson from AstraZeneca said it would be premature to speculate. NBSP S&amp 500 levels. NBSP overview today. Last price 3,421.5 today. Daily change 29.00 today. Daily change percent 0.85 today. Daily open 3,392.5 NBSP trends. Daily SMA 20 3,332.21 daily SMA 50 3,223.22 daily SMA 100 3,071.48 daily SMA 200 3,075.02 NBSP levels. Previous daily high 3,393.5 previous daily low 3,361.5 previous weekly high 3,400.75 previous weekly low 3,354.5 previous monthly high 3,293 previous monthly low 3,073.5 daily Fibonacci 38.2% 3,381.28 daily Fibonacci 61.8% 3,373.72 daily pivot point S1 3,371.5 daily pivot point S2 3,350.5 daily pivot point S3 3,339.5 daily pivot point R1 3,403.5 daily pivot point R2 3,414.5 daily pivot point R3 3,435.5 NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible.
Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.